How to download and install Viber on PC plus Connect Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. First, open preferred browser on your PC, suppose Google Chrome. And now you need to go to Viber website. Click search bar and type in viber.com and press enter on your keyboard. Then you will come across the Rakuten Viber official website. Click download button at bottom left corner of your screen. And now you can easily go ahead on your cookies setting and decline the cookies. So let's click on download for Windows. Once the exe setup file gets downloaded, you can store in folder. And now you can double click on it in order to install the app. Click on install button and now you need to wait until it reaches 100% installation. So now in order to set up Viber on your PC, you can first simply change the language if you wish to. Click on the language icon at top right. Now you need to open Viber on your phone. If you don't have Viber on your phone, you can click on this link and follow on screen prompts. So let's open Viber on our phone. Open the menu screen and open QR code reader and you can scan the code given here. Now here you can easily sync the chat history. You can continue exactly where you left off by syncing your entire mobile chat history, or else you can tap the cross mark at top right corner of your screen. So if you choose to cancel the syncing process, your chat history will not be synced on your desktop. If you are sure, click on yes button. And with that, you have simply connected your mobile device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.